Let's say you're hooking up a rubber hose to a valve on a machine. Small pot, tight space, needs to hold pressure. You're not reaching for tape or trying to force a mismatch. Grab the Parker 1230410 adapter and it just fits. It's got a 1/8 BSP thread built from solid brass and handles up to 100 bar without blinking. Whether you're in packaging, robotics, or even food processing, it's made for all that. And if you're dealing with heat, moisture, or something a little more aggressive, no worries. It's rated for -40 to up to 150 degrees Celsius, so it handles rough environment just fine. Simple parts, big impact. Makes connection quick, tight, and reliable, just the way it should be. You can get it at www.offshoredimensionsparkerstore.com or call +234 909 482 1645 or email us at sales@offshoredimensions.com.